Brick Blaze.
Brick Blaze. Okay. Welcome to 2018 Secret Santa. Yay! All right. Our Secret Santa turned out to be Brick
The
Blaze.
Blaze himself.
This guy. If you don't know who he is, go check him out. Thank you for the sig fig. All right, we're gonna open the card first.
What does it say? Can you read it to me? I'm not literate.
Illiterate. Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoyed the gifts. Warmest wishes to you for a happy, peaceful holiday season. Merry Christmas from Brick Blaze. P.S. Sorry my stick figure has damaged face. This is my last one. Consider it a little battle damage. Ha, ha, ha.
What's that a picture of right there?
I don't know. Okay. All right, take two. Ah, yes. Thank you, Brick Blaze. Are you opening yours? I like the goofy wrapping paper.
We're going to do it separately. Looks like Mario Brothers took a bunch of mushrooms.
I thought it was Alice in Wonderland.
But it has the Mario Brothers deal.
The mushrooms?
No, right here. See? The Mario
I thought it was
Brothers.
fairy tale.
What do you think?
I thought that was like the Venus flytrap. The bird's feeding it though. Okay. Aw. Thank you, Brick Blaze. Thank you very much. Harry Potter. I always like their new candles. Another one.
It's good stuff, bud. You know I love it. You know I need it.
Oh yeah, he can always use more Technic.
Yeah, she needs to sort a lot.
He'll never build.
I
he
will.
Complains about sorting.
No, my complaint is that you won't sort what I've disassembled.
Yes, but you've said multiple times that you just like to put everything in a pile and build it.
Touche, lady. Touche.
So it's in a pile. You just need to build it. All right, that's
love
it. Thank you, buddy, very much. I'm gonna build this
Perfect.
in 2 seconds after the string.
Agreed.
All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Test, 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 test. Talk. Talk test.
No, fuck that. Let's get to the presents.
Talk test.